Welcome to Explaining Things Badly, the series where I explain things using bad analogies and comparisons. This is the Frog Saga, where I'll assume that all of you are experts on frogs and know of nothing else, and I'll try to teach you about all animals, or at the very least, most large groups. Today, I'll be teaching you about amphibians. Amphibians are the most similar group of animals to frogs, because frogs are actually included in the amphibian group. The requirements to be an amphibian are similar to many of the traits of the frog. All amphibians are vertebrates, meaning they have backbones. They have cold blood, they lay eggs, and they can live on both land and water, often having an aquatic larval stage that is followed by a land-dwelling adult stage. Amphibians have three main groups: frogs, toads, and salamanders. Most other amphibians fall under one of these three groups. Frogs are the ones you know the best. They're usually small, with a short, broad body, and they have legs with webbed hind feet for jumping and swimming. They have big eyes, thin skin, and mucus to keep their skin moist. They lack a tail when they're fully grown, and they begin as a tadpole, which does have a tail, and have to go through metamorphosis before they can live on land. The next group is toads. Toads are similar to frogs in terms of proportion and appearance. In fact, frogs and toads are often confused for one another. However, the way they differ from frogs is toads tend to have dry, bumpier skin with crests behind their eyes and poison glands. I'm pretty sure some frogs also have poison glands, but that's what my research told me. The next group is salamanders. Salamanders, like frogs, have moist, smooth skin. However, they differ in that they have long, slender bodies, short legs, and have tails when they are fully grown. Some salamanders also possess an interesting ability called regeneration, where they can grow back their lost body parts. In some species, such as the axolotl, they can even regenerate their hearts. Speaking of axolotls as well as some other types of salamanders don't usually lose their gills as they get older and stay underwater their whole lives. To summarize, frogs are frogs, toads are frogs but with drier skin, and salamanders are frogs, but longer and possess superpowers. That's all for now. Stay tuned until next time when I discuss reptiles. Until next time, stay hoppy and stay unslain.